What up, peoples? All right, so this is an in-depth review of what I've did to install the radiator in my car. So this is a Proform racing radiator. I'll leave a link in the description below. So let's go from top to bottom. So the first thing I did is I cut a piece of aluminum that spans across the radiator, so this secures the top. And then so behind here is a riv nut, and that locks into this M8 bolt right here. It has a rubber bushing just to keep the vibrations low. Same thing on the other side right here. And as you can see, there's plenty of room in between the engine and the fan, which is pretty cool. Pretty happy about that. So, however, though, this is using the stock radiator mount. However, there have been some modifications done. So let's go underneath real quick and show you what happened. So I had to move the holes a little bit forward, because if I didn't, it would be in the balancer. So what I did is I pressed it all the way up against here, 2 M8 riv nuts, put the bolts in, and that's that. Did this on both sides. So that's the only modification you really need to make for using the stock support. Plenty of room for things. So this is going to go obviously to the water pump. And then on the top side, what we're going to do is route it as normal. Hellcat radiator out right to the inlet port right there. For an expansion tank, what I plan to do is I have a cutout in the aluminum there for the nipple. And that's just going to route down to a tank, which I'm going to mount in here. I just haven't gotten the tank yet. And then after every pass, drain the tank, pour it back in the top, because it's just distilled water. And yeah, that's that. So it's not hard to install a racing radiator. It just takes time, just planning things out. So hopefully this, gives people an idea of how I'm approaching this. I'm not a fabricator. This is my first race car. So if you have any comments, think I made a mistake, leave a comment down below. You know what? Do me a favor, like, subscribe, share. I'm trying to get this YouTube channel off the ground. Any penny that I make from the YouTube channel goes back into this thing. So peace out, man. Enjoy the rest of your weekend.